currently poor now because I downloaded a personality test just for fun, and then I did it, and it was like, complete. Yeah, it was 3 questions, right? It was like, complete. Now pay $3 if you want your answers or results. So I was like, no. So then on the bottom it like popped up like Touch ID or passcode, right? So I put my thumb on the button and I click it to go out of it to go delete the app because I was like, this is stupid. And then it's like, purchase complete. I just spent $3 to be told that I'm emotional. Thanks. My life is